that will not understand what he's saying. There are points that I'm going to talk about that he said. He's warning the Anuak. Yeah, he told them that look at the people you are trying to defeat. Do you think you can defeat Nuer? That's the question. He asked the Anuak. He called them his cousins. Secondly, he told the Anuak that you're going to ask Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir tried to defeat Nuer. If you want to defeat Nuer, go and ask Salva Kiir. He said Salva Kiir tried to defeat Nuer, and he has never, and he will never defeat Nuer. He told them, look at South Sudan right now. South Sudan is becoming a garbage place. That's because Salva Kiir wanted to defeat and silence the Nuer people. Because at the beginning, the Cieng Council of Elders thought that silencing the Nuer will make them dominate the country, not knowing that Nuer people, even if a woman will retaliate to mistreatment and injustice. Look at South Sudan right now. And he told them that these people that you are fighting with, if your goal is to defeat them, ask the South Sudanese army and the Ugandan People Defense Force. When they go to attack the Nuer people, what happened to them? Ask them. Did they defeat the Nuer people? And he told them, even the people that they are fighting with are not all the Nuer people. Because the Nuer themselves have even divided themselves. Imagine if the Nuer united themselves. What would have happened in South Sudan? That's what he asked. I want you to go and listen carefully to the words that he said. There's nothing that he said is a lie. Secondly, he said there's nothing that is being left out in South Sudan that is not used against the Nuer people. The UPDF is used against the Nuer people. The SSPDF is used against the Nuer people. Nuer people themselves are used against themselves. Everyone is fighting the Nuer people in South Sudan, and they are still standing. Who is Anuak to defeat the Nuer people? That are his questions, not mine. The reason why the Nuer people are pissed off with these people, Anuak, for the last 2 years they have been attacking buses. 5 buses have been attacked by the Anuak. And what pisses off those Nuer people in Gambella is that the Anuak murdered someone very important in the Nuer society. They murdered him. They are pissed off the Nuer people. And the Nuer people have been calling for the arrest of those people who are attacking the buses. Innocent people, women and children were murdered in buses when they were going to their camps. They used to try to convince the government that you can arrest those people who are attacking the buses. But the government in Gambella did not listen. Instead, some of the criminals that were captured by the government refused. The government in Gambella refused to detain to put them in prison, and that pisses off the Nuer. Whenever you see Nuer people complaining that do this and that, it is something that is bothering them. And once you refuse to pay attention to that, the retaliation will be worse than something that you have been doing for years. Even 1 hour retaliation to the Nuer people is more dangerous than 2 years of doing the crime. So if these Anuak do not listen to what Okwenyi is saying, it's not going to be good on their side, for sure. Chemical weapons were used against the Nuer people, and they're still there. South Sudan did not defeat them. Anuak is just like a clan in the Nuer community. They cannot do anything. They're just wasting their time. And who are they to tell the Nuer people to go out of Ethiopia? Nuer people, they have a history in Ethiopia. They fought the Italian colonizers together with the Ethiopian army in 1935 to 1936. 2 years they were fighting the Italian colonizers. They have history there in Ethiopia. So who are the Anuak to tell the Nuer people to get out of Ethiopia? These Anuak, they're joking. They do not know that they are waking up the lion. But it's going to be worse on their side. I want you to go and listen carefully to what this man said.